أو تكون لك جنة من نخيل وعنب فتفجر الأنهار خلالها تفجيرا.
Or that there be a garden of palms and vines for you, and then you cause rivers to abundantly flow forth through them.
أو تسقط السماء كما زعمت علينا كسفا أو تأتي بالله والملائكة قبيلا.
Or cause the sky to fall on us in pieces as you claimed, or bring Allah and the angels before us face to face.
أو يكون لك بيت من زخرف أو ترقى في السماء ولن نؤمن لرقيك حتى تنزل علينا كتابا نقرأه قل سبحان ربي هل كنت إلا بشرا رسولا.
Or that there come to be for you a house of gold, or that you ascend to the sky, though we shall not believe in your ascension to the sky, until you bring down a book for us that we can read. Say to them, O Muhammad, Holy is my Lord, am I anything else than a human being who bears a message from Allah?
وما منع الناس أن يؤمنوا إذ جاءهم الهدى إلا أن قالوا أبعث الله بشرا رسولا.
Whenever guidance came to people, nothing prevented them from believing except that they said, Has Allah sent a human being as a messenger?
قل لو كان في الأرض ملائكة يمشون مطمئنين لنزلنا عليهم من السماء ملكا رسولا.
Say, had angels been walking about in peace on the earth, we would surely have sent to them an angel from the heavens as messenger.
قل كفى بالله شهيدا بيني وبينكم إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Tell them, O Prophet, Allah suffices as a witness between me and you. Allah is well aware and fully observes everything pertaining to His servants.
ومن يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد لهم أولياء من دونه ونحشرهم يوم القيامة على وجوههم عميا وبكما وصما مأواهم جهنم كلما خبت زدناهم سعيرا.
Whomsoever Allah guides is rightly guided, and whomsoever Allah lets go astray, you shall find none apart from Him who could protect him. We shall muster them all on the day of resurrection on their faces, blind and dumb and deaf. Hell shall be their refuge. Every time its fire subsides, we will intensify for them its flame.
ذلك جزاؤهم بأنهم كفروا بآياتنا وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
That will be their recompense because they disbelieved in our signs and said, What? When we shall be reduced to bones and particles of dust, shall we be raised again as a new creation?
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّ اللَّهَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ قَادِرٌ عَلَىٰ أَن يَخْلُقَ مِثْلَهُمْ وَجَعَلَ لَهُمْ أَجَلًا لَّا رَيْبَ فِيهِ فَأَبَى الظَّالِمُونَ إِلَّا كُفُورًا.
Have they not perceived that Allah, who has created the heavens and the earth, has the power to create the like of them? He has fixed a term for them, about which there is no doubt. And yet the wrongdoers obstinately persist in unbelief.
قُل لَّوْ أَنتُمْ تَمْلِكُونَ خَزَائِنَ رَحْمَةِ رَبِّي إِذًا لَّأَمْسَكْتُمْ خَشْيَةَ الْإِنفَاقِ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ قَتُورًا.
Tell them, O Prophet, even if you owned the treasures of my Lord's mercy, you would have held them back for fear of spending them. Man is indeed ever niggardly.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى 9 آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ فَاسْأَلْ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ إِذْ جَاءَهُمْ فَقَالَ لَهُ فِرْعَوْنُ إِنِّي لَأَظُنُّكَ يَا مُوسَى مَسْحُورًا.
We granted Moses 9 clear signs. Ask the children of Israel about that. When these signs came forth, Pharaoh said to him, Moses, I think that you are bewitched.
قال لقد علمت ما أنزل هؤلاء إلا رب السماوات والأرض بصائر وإني لأظنك يا فرعون مثبورا.
Moses replied, You know well that no one but the Lord of the heavens and the earth has sent these as eye-opening proofs. I truly think, O Pharaoh, that you are indeed doomed.
فأراد أن يستفزهم من الأرض فأغرقناه ومن معه جميعا.
At last Pharaoh decided to uproot Moses and the children of Israel from the land, but we drowned him together with all who were with him.
وَقُلْنَا مِن بَعْدِهِ لِبَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ اسْكُنُوا الْأَرْضَ فَإِذَا جَاءَ وَعْدُ الْآخِرَةِ جِئْنَا بِكُمْ لَفِيفًا.
And thereafter we said to the children of Israel, Now dwell in the land, but when the promised time of the hereafter comes, we shall bring you all together.
وَبِالْحَقِّ أَنزَلْنَاهُ وَبِالْحَقِّ نَزَلَ وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا مُبَشِّرًا وَنَذِيرًا.
We have sent down the Quran with the truth, and it is with the truth that it has descended. And we've not sent you but to proclaim good news and to warn.
وَقُرْآنًا فَرَقْنَاهُ لِتَقْرَأَهُ عَلَى النَّاسِ عَلَى مُكْثٍ وَنَزَّلْنَاهُ تَنزِيلًا.
We have revealed the Quran in parts, that you may recite it to people slowly and with deliberation, and for that reason we have revealed it gradually to suit particular occasions.
قُلْ آمِنُوا بِهِ أَوْ لَا تُؤْمِنُوا إِنَّ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِ إذا يتلى عليهم يخرون للأذقان سجدا.
Tell them, O Prophet, whether you believe in it or do not believe. But when it is recited to those who were given the knowledge before its revelation, they fall down upon their faces in prostration.
وَيَقُولُونَ سُبْحَانَ رَبِّنَا إِن كَانَ وَعْدُ رَبِّنَا لَمَفْعُولًا.
And say, Glory be to our Lord. Surely the promise of our Lord was bound to be fulfilled.
وَيَخِرُّونَ لِلْأَذْقَانِ يَبْكُونَ وَيَزِيدُهُمْ خُشُوعًا.
And they fall down upon their faces weeping, and their humility increases when the Quran is recited to them.
قُلِ ادْعُوا اللَّهَ أَوِ ادْعُوا الرَّحْمَنَ أَيًّمَّا تَدْعُوا فَلَهُ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى وَلَا تَجْهَرْ بِصَلَاتِكَ وَلَا تُخَافِتْ بِهَا وَابْتَغِ بَيْنَ ذَلِكَ سَبِيلًا.
Say to them, O Prophet, call upon him as Allah, or call upon him as Ar-Rahman. Call him by whichever name you will. All his names are beautiful. Neither offer your prayer in too loud a voice, nor in a voice too low, but follow a middle course.
وَقُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ الَّذِي لَمْ يَتَّخِذْ وَلَدًا وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ شَرِيكٌ في الملك ولم يكن له ولي من الذل وكبره تكبيرا.
And say, all praise be to Allah, who has neither taken to himself a son, nor has he any partner in his kingdom, nor does he need anyone out of weakness to protect him. So glorify him in a manner worthy of his glory.